Here we have a Volkswagen T-Roc. It's a 1.5 litre TSI SE Evo 150 PS. The car's a beauty and it comes with a top spec, including adaptive cruise control with front assist, distance monitoring, a forward collision warning, lane assist, a city emergency brake, silver roof rails, alongside these 18-inch Arlo alloy wheels. Now looking at the boot, it's huge and it even has a full-sized spare wheel. The interior has 2-zone climate control, a voice control system and heated front seats. So for more information, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.